Today we're setting out on foot from our hotel and exploring one of the most iconic harbor walks on the planet. Welcome to Sydney, Australia. This is a place where the skyline meets the sea, where one of the world's most recognizable bridges towers proudly over glittering waters. It's a city of ferries, fun parks, and breathtaking views. In this video, we'll walk across the Sydney Harbour Bridge from the central business district to North Sydney and Luna Park. Then we'll take the ferry from Milsons Point back to Circular Quay. Come join us on this adventure. Let's go! Our journey begins with a casual walk from our hotel toward the waterfront. The streets leading to the harbor are alive with energy, cafes spilling onto sidewalks, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, and a mix of locals and travelers alike. As we make our way toward the bridge, we're greeted with some glimpses of the water, giving us little teasers of what's to come. Fun fact, Sydney's harbour is often referred to as the jewel of the city because it has more than 240 kilometers of shoreline, meaning there's always a beautiful view to discover.
We're at the south end of the Harbour Bridge. We're going to go on the Sydney Harbour Bridge walk.
Nicknamed the coat hanger because of its arch-shaped design, the Sydney Harbour Bridge opened in 1932 and remains one of the largest steel arch bridges in the world. It took 8 years to build, using 53,000 tons of steel, a monumental engineering feat at the time. Walking across the bridge is an experience like no other. From this vantage point, you'll see the Sydney Opera House framed by the glittering blue water, ferries zipping back and forth, and the endless Pacific stretching out on the horizon. Interesting fact, the bridge isn't just for cars and pedestrians. Trains also cross it daily, making it a vital artery for the city. And if you look closely at the top, you might find some climbers taking on the bridge climb, one of Sydney's most famous adventure experiences.
Leaving the other side of the Sydney Harbour Bridge, heading over to Luna Park.
Once we step off the bridge, we arrive at Milsons Point, home to one of Sydney's most whimsical attractions, Luna Park. This amusement park has welcomed visitors since 1935 and is instantly recognizable thanks to its giant smiling face entrance. Here you can find retro rides, carnival games, and some of the best views back across the harbor. Fun fact, during World War II, Luna Park actually closed briefly because of blackouts, and when it reopened, it became a symbol of joy and escape for Sydney residents. Another interesting tidbit, Luna Park is heritage listed, meaning it's officially protected as a site of cultural significance. Even if you don't hop on a ride, walking around this colorful spot is like stepping back in time. To wrap up the adventure, we hop on a ferry at Milsons Point Wharf and glide across Sydney Harbour towards Circular Quay. This short but scenic ferry ride offers unbeatable views. You'll see the bridge from a whole new angle, the Opera House gleaming like a seashell, and the skyscrapers of the city standing tall. Fun fact, Sydney's ferry network carries over 14 million passengers a year, making it not just a tourist activity but also an essential part of everyday life for locals. The trip is short, but it's the perfect way to finish a day of exploring. From the bustling streets near our hotel to walking across one of the world's greatest bridges, from the playful magic of Luna Park to cruising the harbor by ferry, this walk shows off some of the very best that Sydney has to offer in just a few hours. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoy this adventure, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite part of Sydney. Until next time, keep exploring because the world is waiting. And we'll see you in the next video.